Example 2. A 0.5 kg ball is going in a horizontal circle as shown in figure with a constant speed of 5 meters per second. Determine the angle theta that the cord forms with the vertical, the tension in the cord. So let us see. In the diagram given, the angle is given theta and the length of the cord is given 2 meters. We need to calculate the angle with vertical and the tension. Here mass of the body is given, which is 0.5 kg, and the speed with which it rotates is 5 meters per second. So here tension will act, so obviously this will be T cos theta and this will be T sin theta as it is given in the side diagram, and its own weight is acting downward direction. So T sin theta will act as a centripetal force and T cos theta will balance the weight. So what we get? T cos theta will balance the weight of the bob and T sin theta will act as a centripetal force. So mv square by r, where the radius is equivalent to, so length of the bob is, the length of the cord is 2 meters. Since it makes an angle theta, so length also can be divided. This is 2m cos theta and this is 2m sin theta. So here 2m sin theta will act as a radius. So 2m sin theta will act as a radius. So T sin theta is equal to mv square by 2 sin theta. Because the length of the cord is 2 meters, so the radius of the circle will be 2 sin theta. So let it be equation 1 and let it be equation 2. If we divide equation 2 and 1, so what we get? If we divide equation 2 and 1, what we get? Tan theta is equal to mv square by 2 sin theta by mg, get cancelled. So tan theta is equal to v square by 2g sin theta. Therefore, we can write tan theta into sin theta is equal to v square by 2g, where v is 25, so pi square is 25 by 2 into g, which is 20. So tan theta sin theta can be written as sin square theta by cos theta is equal to 5 by 4. So sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta into 4 is equal to 5 cos theta. So we'll get a quadratic equation which is 4 cos square theta plus 5 cos theta minus 4 is equivalent to 0. So by finding the roots, we will get cos theta value as 0.55. Therefore theta value is cos inverse of 0.55, which is equal to 56 degrees. Since we got cos theta value and theta value, let us substitute this cos theta value in the equation 1. So what we get? T into 0.55 will be equivalent to mg, m is 0.5 into 10, which is 5. So T is equal to 5 by 0.55, which is equal to approximately 9 newtons.